In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to custom OBS hotkeys for start and stop recording, and as well how to set up hotkeys for screenshots to pause the recording, and as well how to set up a custom key to unpause the recording. And that's easier than you think. So for this we have to press on File from the top left when we are inside OBS. Now select Settings and this menu will appear. We are interested in the hotkeys menu, so press on Hotkeys. And now inside here we can set a start recording hotkey from here, and as well a stop recording, a pause recording hotkey, an unpause stop recording key, and as well down below you will have screenshots. I will get into that in just a second. You can set custom keys or also combinations of keys like I like having Ctrl plus F1 to start recording and Ctrl plus F2 to stop recording, but that's just a personal preference. And down below I set Ctrl plus F3 to screenshot the recording. Okay, you have a multitude of settings to which you can set a hotkey to, but this is up to you and for whatever reason you are using OBS. For me, these hotkeys are more than enough. And very important, once you set your hotkeys, you will have to press on apply in the bottom left, so you make sure you save the changes before you leave the hotkey settings in OBS. So that's how to set custom hotkeys in OBS for recording, for pausing, for unpausing, to stop recording, and as well a custom hotkey for the screenshot.